Alright, so this is how we add your smart lock device to your Tuya app. So first, we need to enter admin mode by tapping asterisk number sign.
Then put administration information.
Your admin code.
Press 1 for administrator setting. Press 2 for user setting. Press 3 for system setting. Press 4 to reboot system.
So let's press 1.
Press 1 to add administrator setting. Press 2 to delete administrator. Press 3 networking setting.
Network setting. Press 3.
Press 1 hotspot connection. Press 2 intelligence connection.
Press 1 for hotspot connection. And then we go right to your mobile phone. We press add device. So automatic yan siyang madidetect. Smart lock. And then we need to find the 2.4G dahil hindi yan magko-connect sa 4.5. 2.4G. Okay, connected. We need to make sure na correct yung passcode na or yung password na may lalagay natin unless it will not connect. So, input ko muna yung password namin. Okay, so smart lock is being added. Let's just wait for this to be full or mag-finish to siya.
Successful.
Okay, nag-prompt na yung smart lock na successful. And we can see the smart lock here na rin sa Tuya app. So we press done. And then that's it. We can test the notification and everything now. We already added the device.